Hello, my name is Vilsi. My registered number is URK1144. I'll be discussing about deep learning experiment 6. Here we are using some text and converting it. So this here we have imported some libraries. So NumPy is for numerical computations and handling arrays. TensorFlow is the main library for building deep learning models. Sequential is to create a linear stack of layers for our model. LSTM dense is layers for a neural network. To categorical, it will convert some integer labels into one hot vectors. So the main aim for this experiment is to train a LSTM, that is long short-term memory network, for text generation using a dataset like Shakespeare's works, and understanding how LSTM networks overcome the RNN's inaccuracies, like their limitations. So here this is the text which we have used. So we use a small sample of Shakespeare's text. Text.lower ensures all characters are lowercase to reduce complexity. So capital T and small t are not the same, are treated as the same. So here we have created the mappings. So chars is the list of unique characters in the text. Char to int means mapping the characters to integers, and int to char is maps integers to characters. So that is used for generating text later. This mapping converts text into numbers for LSTM to process. Uh, Here we have given sequential length 40 x data and y data. Sequential length 40 means each input sequence will have 40 characters. Sequence in means the current sequence of the 40 characters. Sequence out is next character that the model should predict. And it will convert each sequence into numbers using char to int and append sequences to x data. That is the inputs, and y data, that is the outputs. And we here we are reshaping the data. np.reshape is LSTM expects input shape, that is the samples, time steps, the features. So samples here are the len, that is len of x data, and time steps is the sequential length 40. So here we are dividing by len cars to normalize the values between 0 and 1. And to categorical, that is, this will convert outputs to one hot vectors. Like if five characters exist, the output b will be 0 1 0 0 0. So then building the LSTM models. So here model is sequential. That means we will start a sequential model. LSTM 128 means it will add a LSTM layer with 128 memory units. And input shape x dot shape 1 we have given, and x dot shape 2. So that means it will tell the model the input is 40 time steps, one feature. And dense is given here. So dense len chars is fully connected layer with output equal to the number of unique characters, and softmax always relates to the probabilities. So it will give the probabilities for each character. Then we have compiled it with loss as categorical cross entropy, and optimizer as Adam. So categorical cross entropy is for multi-class classification. Optimizer is for adjusting the weights during training. Then we will fit the model like xy epochs. The epochs are 30 here. So it will pass through the dataset 30 times, and it will train the model on sequences x and outputs y. Batch size is 64. It will update weights after every 64 sequences. And verbose 1 is shows the training process. Here this whole thing. So seed text, here we have given as seed text. So initial text to start generation, we need an initial point. So and it will convert the seed to integer sequence. For length steps, so we will reshape and normalize the sequence, predict the next character possibilities, choose the character with the highest probability with np.arg max, and append the predicted character to the sequence and slide window forward. So whatever it has generated, like this is the seed, so after that whatever can come, that will be the output. So this will start the text generation and will generate 300 new characters of Shakespeare style text. So here as we can see, 30 epochs have passed, and the generated text is to be or not to be. So after the seed text, this is predicted. And future scope is we can use even a better larger data set. Like this is very small from Shakespeare. We can use a full Shakespeare work for this, or advanced models like GRU, bidirectional LSTM transformers, and word level generation, like instead of characters, word to word like we can generate bigger text. It will be used in chatbots, story generators, poetry tools, and fine tuning, like training on specific genres or styles, and then we can even deploy this into an app or a website. um, yeah, so that's all for experiment 6 from my side. Thank you.